And they're off. And lead is taken by Hajduk by the rail, Celestial. And Prince Perry on the outside, Prince Carlo. And nearing the far turn, it's Hajduk in the lead, followed by Prince Perry in second and Celestial. Running in third on the outside, moving up by the rail, Fuego, Prince Carlo and Rogue Knight. And at the far turn, it is still Hajduk by 4.5 lengths, followed by Prince Perry in second and Celestial. Moving up on the outside is Prince Carlo, Fuego, and here comes Rogue Knight now moving up on the farther outside. The last bend for home, it is still Hajduk by 4.5 lengths, followed by Prince Perry, and Prince Carlo moving up on the outside, Celestial. And at the top of the stretch is still Hajduk in the lead, Prince Perry, Prince Carlo, and Rogue Knight on the farther outside. But it's still Hajduk in the lead, and here comes Prince Carlo on the farther outside is Rogue Knight. It is now Prince Carlo and Rogue Knight on the farther outside. And finally at the payoff line, it's Prince Carlo, Rogue Knight.
Okay, 6-3 ang ating unofficial order of arrival. Crossing the wire